Oh Shiba Inu, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Oh my god, Shiba Inu again blow up in the market. A lot of people are again buying Shiba Inu because now Shiba Inu again start motion in the market. And a lot of people are also investing in a Shiba Inu and very fastly guys. The price of Shiba Inu very fastly increasing. You know what, I'm very happy and I'm very excited to see these positive changes because you also know about that I'm holding 2.5 billion Shiba Inu token guys, and now in a right now situation you can see here the price is about 11% positive just in last 60 minutes. Oh my god, that's unbelievable guys. I'm very happy to see these changes. Oh my god, this is really a huge surprise for me, and I believe guys that's also a huge surprise for all of you. So guys, please click the subscribe button right now for more update videos about Shiba Inu, because in the right now situation Shiba Inu is in a motion guys. Shiba holders, you are going to the moon once again. We are going to the moon. Anyways guys, now you can see or talk about the price. So very soon again the price of Shiba Inu will become a $1 dollar guys. Oh my god, it's again trend in the market guys. Shiba Inu is the fastest moving cryptocurrencies. Obviously in a May month Shiba Inu price will highly pump guys. Anyways, now the 0.0001 USD dollar, that is right now price of Shiba Inu, and you can see here the changes, that whole changes occur in the Shiba Inu is going positive in the market, and I'm very happy to see these positive changes. Just let me show you the price chart. Wow, they are going straight to the moon guys. Wow, I'm very happy. 38% the price changes is positive. Congratulations to all Shiba Inu holders guys. Please don't forget to subscribe ABS Take channel.